Alright, we are live on the YouTube.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, YouTube is on now. You said start early.
I look like an opera singer in this outfit. Joe, we're not late. You are. Ha ha ha. We win.
We win? We win? Whoa.
Where's Jodi?
Where's Jodi?
Cher is here. Hi, Cher. Oh, hi, Lance. 90G. Island Ting.
We're just waiting for a couple more people to hop on.
Hop on.
Hop on, everybody. Hop on. Get on the train.
Come on, right.
Here, Jodi. Early bad. Can't win, you know. Can't win.
Joe, I was just there saying that we win because you are late.
Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic and foolishness.
I just wish you weren't taking over the whole camera space. Look at you. I'm not even in the shot.
And your head is so big. Alright, come over.
No, I don't want to come over.
Come on over, baby, yeah. There you go.
That's what little sisters do. They really want to come over.
So you guys must be wondering why they're dressed like this. What's happening? What are they doing? Where are they? This is not the closet.
They're probably just like, Jodi and Tracy are crazy.
Yeah. So we are today at Jacana in
Portmore.
Every time I say Portmore, she does this.
It's the Sun City.
It is the
Sunshine City.
So we're in Jacana in Macmasters Plaza over in Portmore, and we're checking out the wellness line as we were last week. But this week we're going to come to you, we're going to talk to you about the massage oil.
Massage. Imagine if you went to get a massage.
They were like, massage. So we are in our robes because we're getting in the state of mind for a wellness massage. Mr. Gordon, the security, you're up next. You gonna massage us?
Mr. Gordon's like, hell no.
What's going on?
Okay, so this really cool thing that I noticed about Jacana, right, is that they have these little tins, and the top of the tin has like a magnifying glass, so you can see the crystals on the gonjo.
Oh, the gonjo. Oh, wait, let me. Oh, I'm gonna get the popular one. Hold on. This one.
No, like this behind the pineapple sorbet.
Oh,
like this.
But I wanted to show you guys something special.
Okay, so like this they have, and then like that's a magnifying glass, and you can see the crystals on the gonjo.
The gonge.
Yeah.
On the gonge. But I wanted to show you guys what was really popular last week. It was all out at the Manor Park branch. But this stuff, this is the lion's paw. So it's here at Macmasters Plaza over in Portmore. Don't do it.
What?
Portmore.
I didn't even have to do it. You did.
So this is a lion's paw. I think the lady has come for some.
Probably
here for that. All right. So we do have a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned. We have a giveaway. We're going to go through this.
Giveaway.
It's a big giveaway. This little goodie bag here is full of things. Man, you drop off the lion's paw.
Why you don't put it back? Put it back.
It doesn't even go there. It goes over there, but I wouldn't mind to smell it a little bit later.
Okay, the lion paw. Somebody was asking. The flavors in the lion paw are pine, lemon, and citrus.
And it has a very nice fruity smell and
aroma.
Right. Okay. What were we doing again?
Oh, massage.
Ah, massage. Alright, where's our massage oil? Here we go.
So the Jacana Cbd Massage Oil has in it jojoba as well as, oh my gosh.
What happened to you? You had a sip, didn't you?
I feel like it's a lion paw just got to me.
Oh, so we have
jojoba as well as grapefruit, and it has a really nice like spa scent. You know, like when you go to a spa and everything smells super expensive, and you're like, wow, I wish my house could smell like that. Like it smells like that. So, actually,
so every week I'm going to come and massage your arm.
Why my arm look dry? So
your arm looks very dry.
So anyway, CBD is also good for eczema as well as dry skin. So this.
My skin dry too. Squirt some.
I want to try this.
Oh, Oh, this smells really good. Wow, wow, whoa. Whoa.
I need to see if it has good scent.
Kevin, we are at the spa. Kevin wants to know what we're wearing. Kevin,
at the spa.
We're at the spa. Jeez, man. All right. Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. Ooh. Oh, I like that. Not sure about that part.
Okay.
I don't like the chops. I like the little finger thing though.
Like I'm playing a flute.
Yeah. The CBD flute. All right. That was a good massage. I like that little thing.
You want to massage me now?
I don't understand. I said to wear a robe. I did not know that under the robe you must wear something sexy.
Is that a breastfeeding bra? What the hell?
It's comfy.
Remy is like 2. Why do you want a breastfeeding bra?
It was the first one at the top.
Why is that even at the top? That should be X out of your thing.
I didn't know that we were going to show what's under the robe.
Are you massaging me?
Sorry. Okay,
bro?
sorry. Okay, little shoulder action. All right, let's see. All right, so I'm using 2 squirts.
Don't look.
I'm going to. But I'm rough. I'm a rough person.
Jodi, the beads on this thing are like.
What you need to do is you want to make sure that you really.
Okay.
You know why I'm rough? Because I usually massage my man.
Jesus, Jodi. Usually massage. What is your man? A construction worker?
Strong bodied. There we go. How you feel?
Like I'm on a roller coaster.
Your back is turning so red. But how do you feel? How do your muscles feel?
Alright, hold on.
Okay.
I need to relax it.
Oh.
Alright.
How's your spa experience, man?
I'm sucking my belly. Hold on. Oh, yeah, okay. Start over with that. Start with that.
Okay.
And then go into some deep tissue and then chop. Back to deep tissue and then finish. Okay.
Okay. Flute. Deep tissue.
Yeah.
So this one really helps the
Ooh.
spine.
Yeah.
The spine is where you send messages all throughout the body.
Yeah. That's true.
I read that in Levi's encyclopedia. Alright, after the deep, then chop.
Chop. Yeah, I like
Then back to flute.
Yeah. That was
Ma'am,
really
the
good.
massage is over.
Thank you.
That was good?
So good.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, that was good.
That was good?
Yeah.
Okay, so before we get any, who's saying happy birthday? Whose birthday is it? Happy
Fitz, it is not your birthday.
Every week is Fitz's birthday. Sure. Alright guys, so we do have a few giveaways. So,
I just can't get over the smell though. Oh! Where's mine?
oh sorry. So today Tracy is drinking a blueberry passion lavender, and this is with white rum. And today I am drinking melon in the sky. Now this has every single melon you can think about. Watermelon, dry melon, medium semi-melon, cantaloupe, yellow melon, prosecco.
I just don't understand how she captures all of the flavors. This is blueberry passion lavender, and I really, really love this.
Taste this.
I like melon in the sky, but
So we are actually celebrating our anniversary today, our 1-year anniversary. It's been 1 year since Lady Bee Mixology has been one of our good friends, one of our sponsors, getting us drunk every single week on the show. We really appreciate you, and we would like to thank you. And how we thank people is we do a giveaway.
nobody give away more things than us. Not even Oprah.
Ramesh.
Ramesh?
Yeah.
Alright, well, you know what?
Auntie Donna.
Who's that?
Oh Lord, man. All right, so what we're going to be doing, we're going to be giving away to one person 2 pouches. Hold on. Yeah? I like the passion fruit at the bottom. So let's, you want to do the giveaway now?
For Lady Bee? Okay, we're doing a giveaway for 2 pouches of Lady Bee Mixology. And I have the question ready.
You do?
Yes, I have the question ready.
Are you serious? Your
Yes.
questions usually suck.
Yes, this is a good question though.
Okay.
Okay. How is the ganja and... No, hold on, sorry. Okay, sorry. How is the ganja from Jacana grown? That is a question. For the 2 pouches of Lady Bee Mixology will be given.
You know the answer?
Yes, I do.
All right.
We're looking for the answer. How is the ganja from Jacana grow?
Are you going to pick up in Kingston, so make sure you don't live too far? Daniel says a field in St. Anne. Sun Kissed by Grace says naturally.
A field in St. Anne is correct.
How is it grown?
Organically, naturally, at a field.
Who said that? Who said that?
Daniel said the first thing was a field in St. Anne.
Daniel, spell it.
D-A-N-I-E-L-L-E-L-A-U-R. It's correct. It is organically grown on a field in St. Anne. It is not grown by lights. It is out there, just, you know, being fed the good Jamaican sunshine and the good water from the White River that runs through the field. It is 100% Jamaican ganja. That is what we be talking about. It is actually one of the things that is the pride of Jacana, that, you know,
their fields are here in Jamaica.
And that they're organic, like it's not no lights or nothing like that. Like a lot of people do the light thing now, which, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The lights are cool, but this, the herb, the Jacana ganja, is nourished by the soil, watered by the White River, warmed by the golden sun, and touched with passion and care and craftsmanship.
Actually, their passion, care, and craftsmanship, the way that they draw the CBD out of the hemp, which is a type of ganja, is actually coming from like elders throughout the town who have shown the ways how to
pass it down.
They passed it down, and then to that, Jacana has come with a little bit of technology to it to add to it and stuff, but it is like of the earth.
Don't worry, farm people, we're going to include you in this giveaway back here, so stay tuned.
Okay.
Alright? What else would we like to do?
Talk about The Bachelor?
No!
Why?
Okay. So,
Why?
I don't see the Bachelor, you said the Bachelor was on a break.
They're back now. Clayton is back. And I didn't like...
The same Bachelor?
What are you talking about? He's on season long.
You don't get bored of a show? Okay, so I came across, you know, a little, like a post where they were talking about things that we believe as children that we believe that aren't true. So I got a few of them together.
Like Jodi told me that I was adopted and I believed it, but it wasn't
because you
true.
were whiter than all of us and you had green eyes.
And blonde hair.
You had light hair.
So that's like Levi telling Remy she's adopted. It's mean.
Yeah, but sometimes, you know, you just have to make your siblings strong in person. You know? So it goes sometimes. Okay. What is next? Oh, sorry. A blanket can protect you from anything.
Yeah.
Especially like when Dubby is under the bed, you just, you know, you grab the blanket and then you're safe.
Yeah, that was something, but I still feel that to this day though. I still feel that way to this day.
Like be careful how you hang your foot over the bed and those kind of things.
Yeah. I still
okay.
feel that way. There's monsters.
If you cross your eyes for long enough, they'll stay that way forever. Well, our mommy said that if you cross your eyes and then fly pitch by your nose, then your eyes will stay
I don't
crossed.
think mommy ever said that because she's not Jamaican. I think you said that, and you said it so much that you thought that an elder said it. Where did you get that from?
You know when you flip out your eye like that? Mommy was like,
who flips out their eye like that?
Kids used to flip out the skin of their eye. Nobody knows how to do that thing. You flip out the skin of your eye, and mommy was like,
that's probably why you got pink eye, because you flip out your eye. You expose it.
I expose my eye?
Who does that?
The kids at school were doing it. They walk around with their little eye bottom flipped out.
What school did you go to? Oh my gosh, no.
He's doing it.
Ew, please stop.
Lad! If I fly a picture on it go a stick. When you kiss someone, you're automatically married.
Oh, really?
You remember when? Yes.
You would be married to Luke.
Okay, calm yourself. Yes, but I'd be married to. I think he's. Where is he now?
Texas.
Oh, okay.
And Jodi also made us have a wedding for her when she put the bedspread as her veil.
Yeah, dramatic. I mean, you know, had to have a long veil.
Yeah.
That Santa at the mall is actually one of the elves. Because he had to divvy it up. It couldn't be the real Santa, but it was his representative.
I never heard that one.
No?
It's a Santa himself.
If you swallow watermelon seeds, an entire watermelon will grow inside you.
That's one thing that I did believe though.
Yeah?
That's one thing that I did believe.
But you used to swallow all kind of seeds, like orange seeds, melon seeds.
No, I did not. Where are you getting this information from?
Yes.
I swallowed seed?
Yeah, you're a seed swallower.
That stays true to this day.
Quicksand is everywhere, and you have to constantly be vigilant.
I think somebody who had a slow walker would tell their kids that. Anybody's mother told them that? Yeah, slow walker.
Quick, walk up, children, walk up, or you get trapped in this quicksand. Or okay, this one, stepping on a crack could literally break your mother's back.
Oh,
yes.
Yeah, I remember that one.
I even see you sometimes kind of dodging the cracks because you just want to be safe. Nana doesn't get hurt.
Yeah, but if she did, I have some CBD I can rub on her.
Right.
From Jacana Wellness.
Girl, you're sorry, you're
But I say, like, in other words, if I was like, oh, I have some CBD I could rub on her, that don't mean say it's the best thing. But when you say from Jacana Wellness, no, you know,
are the best thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Everything I got cool now.
Sharks are lurking in the deep end of every swimming pool. Well, for me, it was a crocodile.
I believe that one.
I believe it was a crocodile.
Scary.
Yes. And like, I didn't want to be left in the pool alone. Like, every time we went in the pool, Tracy had to come out and doo-doo. It's like, as the water hit her back, she had to doo-doo. So I had to come out too because I didn't want the alligator to get me. Tracy, you're like a horse. As you get in the pool, you needed to go and doo-doo.
I just find that that's true. But
you couldn't doo-doo before you go in the pool?
It wasn't there. It wasn't there. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
Okay.
This one was a good one that somebody said, if you swallow bubble gum, it will tie up your tribe. One classy Shan said that, and that was very true. Our classy Shan, mommy told us that.
Yeah.
And so we did.
Well, she never said tie up your tribe, because you know she's British, so she was like, if you swallow the bubble gum, it will stay in your stomach forever and ever, amen, you know.
Really?
I'm sure you must poop it out.
Yeah, how come I'm like in my 30s still asking?
You still pooping, pooping bubble gum? If you aren't careful when draining the bathtub, you could get sucked down the drain. I definitely tell my kids this. I'm like, quick, Remy, quick. And then Remy, of course, she'll be like, Mommy, help. I'll be like, no, come, let's come out. You don't remember? No? Okay.
What you talking about? If you pull the drain?
Yes, you have to be careful. If you aren't careful when draining the bathtub, you could get sucked down the drain.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, you have to be careful.
Horrible.
Yes.
So anyways, last night, Remy, Jodi woke up and she just said, I had a horrible night's sleep. Remy was in the hallway crying with her teddy bear in her hand.
I forgot to lock her in her room. And she came out of her room, jumped out of her crib, came out of her room, and she was just standing up in the hallway crying with the teddy bear. So I was like, okay, Remy, come and sleep with mommy and daddy. Worst move ever. It's the first time I ever do that. Remy was kicking me the whole night, her foot in my back, she spazzes. It was horrible. I can't wait to go to bed later.
Poor little Remy.
Oh, all right. Teachers live at school, they sleep at school and in their classroom. So when you see like a teacher outside of school, you're kind of like, Mrs. Stewart, why are you here? Like you see a teacher in the pharmacy, you're like,
I know, like she doesn't exist. Somebody wrote, Lisa Gavidan wrote that if you swim before you eat, you will sink.
yes, that was one. Mom like, you go and get stitches.
If you eat before you swim, sorry.
If you cut your doll's hair, it will grow back. All you have to do was cut your doll's hair one time and you realize it don't grow back. You remember when I cut Whitney? I had Whitney, the Barbie was named Whitney.
I know,
and
she was such a beautiful Barbie.
Yeah, she had darker hair and she came with this blue dress. Well, after a little while, I decided Whitney needed a bob. Oh gosh, man, I damaged your poor dolly baby.
I know.
If you touch a toad, you'll get warts. Well, I don't think this is true because we're now keeping toads in the fridge.
Who?
You never heard?
Who is keeping toads in the fridge?
Not me, but there's people who have to put the toads in the fridge because we now have an influx of the Cuban frog. And if you see it, you must bash it over the head and keep it in your freezer.
What? I'm like so disgusted by that.
Yeah.
Why? Oh.
Yeah. You have to set good like frog in a freezer. You didn't hear that? Do you get money for the frog? Like you show them the frozen frog and you get money? Like the lionfish? It's kind of weird. Somebody says, what? Yes, we have an influx of the Cuban frog and it's actually not very good for our environment. And we have to be careful of our environment, especially where we grow the Jacana ganj, right? But the frog is there and the frog is all on. We catch a frog, bash it over the head and put it in a scanner bag and put it in the freezer.
I don't know. I think something to sweeten my mouth after that. So let me just go get it here.
Oh.
So today, guys, we actually have something very, very special. It is from somebody who has been on our show before, Strictly Cookies. They have sent, you like that? You like that? Hold it, hold it, hold it. They have sent us a jar. This is a red velvet Nutella hazelnut cookie in a jar.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, let's get to it.
Yeah.
We know what you dropped.
Okay.
I have massage oil on my hands.
So there we go.
Whoa. Choco block, full to the brim.
I know that these Strictly cookies are always so amazing. Actually, I've had a couple flavors by her, but this is a flavor of the month. So Strictly Cookies does flavors of the month. So this is their flavor of the month this month. And so, Joe, you want to take a taste?
I do want to take a taste.
Okay. And I mean, I just feel like, well, take a taste and tell me how you feel.
So Strictly Cookies sent one jar for the both of us? Just asking.
They sent two.
So where's the other jar, Trey?
Sorry, didn't make it.
Tracy is like a cookie monster.
Didn't make it. I'm so sorry, but honestly, Strictly Cookies is one of probably the best flavor palettes I've had in a cookie for a very long time. Don't double dip because I actually want
Where's Mr. Gordon?
where's Mr. Gordon?
Where's Mr. Gordon?
We're
troubling his security.
I know, he's so over us. He's so over us. I actually want Mr. Gordon to taste it. What you thought it?
It's excellent. I didn't get down to the
nitty-gritty.
No. Mr. Gordon will be right back. If you mix this up with enough spit, it doesn't count.
Watch Mr. Gordon come in here. Come on,
Come on, Mr. Gordon. It's your turn. Come on in.
Mr. Gordon, come and taste this cookie.
Come on, Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon, you're flopping, man.
No, just to, that's company policy.
But company policy.
Come on, take another taste.
Okay, well, let me use back before. Mr. Gordon, flop it. What else are we going to do? We're going to trouble. We're coming back for you, you know. Don't go too far. Coming back for you, Mr. Gordon. Or going down deeper.
I want to know something though. Like all of the Jacana spliffs and stuff, they come you can get them pre-rolled. You can also get them just in a bag, just raw. The ganja is raw. But I wanted to know something. Like I don't know how to explain that.
Unrolled?
Unrolled.
The bud.
The bud.
But
what I wanted to know.
The flower.
The crystals. So what I wanted to know though, right? You're smoking this weed and it says it has flavors on it, like lion pass, and it has some flavors. We have the vape pens too, like they have flavors like sweet lyric vape pens, mango sherbet. Do these flavors actually come through in your mouth, or is it just like, and how did they get the flavors in there?
So you put it in the soil. So I would assume that when you're growing the ganj, you like the soil has like citrus in there. You sprinkle it with a little lion paw. I don't know. Why are you asking me that for?
I don't know. Kevin, are you on the live? Could you tell us how this works? How do they do it?
You sprinkle the soil with it.
Because it's really crazy. Because if you smell some of these, like this is called Girl Scout cookie.
Somebody says the flavor actually does come through in your mouth.
Yeah, oh okay, it does. I mean, this one is called Girl Scout cookie, right? And they have these containers here at Jacana so that you can open them up and you can look at it and you can smell it. I mean, and this is sweet, earthy, fresh. That's how, and I mean, it does smell all of those things.
Yeah.
It's really crazy.
Did you smell everything? Which one would you smoke?
I didn't smell anything, but this is sour power.
You did smoke a sour power? I don't know, I couldn't smoke a sour power. But I don't know, I think I'd go for the herb stallion, you know?
Oh, you want to know which one I'm going to smoke?
Yeah, which one would you smoke?
Oh, I want to smoke Uptown Cheese.
Snowflake says, I tasted the bubblegum one before and trust me, it tasted like strawberry gum.
What?
So that's nice.
I like that.
That's enjoyable.
You know what? I like that. That is the brand, and you can know with Jacana that the brand, that whatever they say on labeling is exactly what you're going to get.
So can I use this as a lotion? My skin feeling
Yes,
so
you
dry.
can definitely use that as a lotion. You can definitely use that as a lotion. I just am falling in love with that scent.
Oh,
every single time.
I thought you were like, I'm just falling in love with you.
Oh,
So CBDs are great for eczema and for acne.
for acne.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes.
So if you had really dry skin and you think you could put a massage oil on
Yeah,
it?
it would calm it. CBDs are calming. So sometimes people have acne that's very red and inflamed and aggravated. The CBD will calm it down, man.
And what about the eczema? It will help with that too?
It will help with the itching, and it will be moisturizing because it has a jojoba and I think there's coconut oil extract, so it will be also moisturizing. Remember, eczema is the lack of moisture, or one of the reasons is the lack of moisture in the skin.
As a moisture
See there?
component. CBD is known as a moisture component.
So when you're coming, snowflake, was it snowflake for your when you're coming for your herb
Bubblegum.
stallion and your bubblegum, grab one of these, man.
Yeah. Grab one of them. I had a friend that would always do that. She'd always put essential oils in her hand.
Crystal, she's so weird. We were like sitting down at this fancy LA restaurant and there's paparazzi. She puts her big old dirty handbag on the table, takes out this roller ball, and thank God she did not like roll it on. She's like digging through it. Oh my God, oh my God. Like, and we're in LA, we're gonna get to all the stores and I can't even know. Anybody want some lavender? That's exactly how she talks too. Does Jacana ship internationally?
They ship to North America and to Caribbean, and yes, they do ship internationally.
CBD isn't psychoactive, which is correct. CBD is more.
Can they ship the lion paw internationally?
I don't know. I don't know about that. We're not gonna try that one out.
I don't know.
Oh, I saw Miss Chin on the live. Miss Chin, big up yourself. Big up to all of the nurses and the doctors over at Spanish Town Hospital. And you know, I like to jump the gun, and I can't keep things to myself. But I'll soon have something very special for you. If not, don't worry about what I just said. All right, next one is alligators live in the sewers and climb up the pipes into your toilet and bite you on your bottom. For sure. I used to think it was a snake. A snake is gonna like run up in my chuchu, and Sean's like, oh yes, it is. You don't think that could
That is the scariest thought ever. Like, no, I will never.
You never used to be using the bathroom and you're like, you had to look? You never kept checking?
I checked for other reasons.
What were you looking in the toilet for if it wasn't an alligator or a snake?
I wanted to see how my poo looked. Don't you look at your poo?
I don't go out of my way. I mean, I'm sure when I turn on and flush, I'll take a glimpse, but I'm not like, hey.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you guys look at your poo? No, come on. Like, honestly. Like, honestly!
I look at my kids' poo to make sure that they're okay.
So why won't you look at your own poo to make
because
sure
I know I'm okay. I know I'm okay.
How do you know?
Because I feel okay. Feel good, you know? Oh, mommy definitely said one. Cracking your knuckles will give you arthritis.
It's not true. That's not true. That's not true.
It can be true. I used to
It's
crack
air
my
in the joints. See, look, Fitz says he looks at the poo. Lauren Witt says she looks at the poo. Tanisha Shell, Dreamy.
Well, no.
Justin.
Well, maybe because
Who do you love? Are you for sure?
So what?
Amore.
So do you look at the doodle before the toilet paper goes in, or like what kind of? How long do you look?
Shakira says she always does. Always. So
Really?
I'm not weird. I'm not alone on this one. Always, Shakira says.
All right, guys. So go through with the checking of the poo. I will just continue to check that no snakes are gonna come up those pipes and bite on the choo-choo. At night or anytime you leave the house, your stuffed animals became living, breathing creatures.
That's so scary.
What? I used to believe that for sure.
So scary. I would not want to even believe
You know what I think it was? So one day I was being really rough with my toys and mommy was like, why are you doing that to Summer? You know what? She's going to come alive at night and she's going to bite you on the choo-choo.
By the way, Jodi still has this teddy bear named Summer. Summer looks like she's been through about 75 rounds of chemo. Like,
That's okay. I still love Summer and I don't really let Remy play with her. She needs a
she
nose.
only has one eye and no
No,
nose.
she
And
has
she's
both
like,
eyes.
She has mange on this side of her body.
She just needs a bath.
Well, how come we don't give it to her?
I can't believe you've never kept, has anybody ever kept like a stuffed animal? Drop a comment down below to everybody on YouTube. Have you ever kept a stuffed animal or a dolly from your childhood years? And that dolly, that teddy bear actually has sentimental meaning. So back when I was
sorry,
about
you're shouting, give me a headache. Can you pass me some of that Jacana CBD balm, please? Like, Jesus, man.
Don't call the Lord
no,
to live in
I
vain.
want the balm.
The balm?
I want the balm.
So where did I reach in my story? Yes, so there was a store called Best Regards. Does anybody remember Best Regards?
How you remember Best Regards?
Best Regards opened up
I went there every Saturday.
Park Plaza, and it was like this fancy store. No, Tracy, it was where the kids store is now in Manor Park. And what they did was they put this teddy bear in a balloon, and then the balloon had like other little things in there.
Oh,
and
I got
it was
strawberry.
like, yes, you got another teddy bear. You threw that teddy away, and it was like, when we saw that, we were like, yo, this is so
throw
special.
it away. I gave it to somebody who needed it.
Who needs a teddy bear? I'm not giving away some. I'm sorry. I think it's really special that I still have my teddy bear from back in the day.
Oh my gosh, this feels so good.
Girl, I ain't missing on my makeup.
No, I think you should.
Is that good?
It's that good.
What's happening?
It's like, oh, I still tell you.
What did you use? A balm?
Oh yeah.
What's happening?
It's tingling.
It's tingling?
Oh
You
my
couldn't have
God.
painted your nails?
No. I really love that. I really love that.
Girl, do you think, girl?
I love that. Oh.
I'll do that one.
Wow.
So, because I don't want to mess up my makeup, I was told to do the pressure points on my throat back.
Oh man. I'm not gonna lie. Oh man. Okay. I just want
I think
to
I'm too rough though. Mr. Gordon,
No,
you're up.
Let me help you with that. Let me help you with that. I'm gonna do it for you. Oh man. Oh. Jesus, I feel good.
Stop calling the Lord's
Sorry.
name in vain. Whoa, whoa.
How is that?
My mom used to put the teddy bear in the balloon. Used to love when she did it in a floral. She is a floral designer.
I'm gonna
It's
use some of the
massage oil.
Hold on. Let's get into this. Let's get into this.
Wait, hold on. I'm bracing.
Hold this.
All right. Oh, that's actually nice. Oh, do you feel the nuts? Do you feel the nuts?
Shh. Have a moment.
Okay. Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon.
Joe, stop calling next man name while I get massage, man.
You look like you're casting a spell.
How do you feel?
That feels good. You weirdo. The relief balm is good. The massage. Oh, that massage was lovely.
No man, I'm not gonna lie. That relief balm on my temples.
Oh, where on a day?
We're at Jacana.
Oh, sorry. No, I'm not. I will say in Macmasters Plaza over in Portmore. All right. I hope nobody. Did anybody see my ugly brassiere?
How did you do this thing?
It's so comfortable.
Jodi, that bra.
And even, oh, it's just because it's inside out.
Alright, anyway.
On the other side, it's lace and fancy things. Do they have pot tea? Pot
No,
what is that?
Cannabis tea.
Cannabis
Oh,
tea. No,
cannabis tea, okay.
No, we don't have cannabis tea to serve here, but you surely can buy a flavor and make some yourself.
Yes, that would be so nice.
Like a
Grapefruit.
OG on ice would be very
Mr.
nice.
Gordon, what is it? Greba? Greba. What's Greba?
G-R-A.
Keeping you on your toes, Mr. Gordon. Keeping you on your toes.
Alright.
At night. Oh, I said that only. People on the TV are watching you.
Tracy, we nearly saw what you had for dinner. Be careful.
For dinner, you mean what Scott had for dinner?
I'm on shorts, guys. You can't trick me with that again.
Why, we've seen you in front before?
Yes, you have.
Oh, well, you know, we're all family here. I do want to say that I was a real trooper. I drove all the way over
Even
here.
if you did see my front,
I
it's
walked-
well lubed down. Because, guess what? After I shower,
You lotion your pum pum.
yes,
You have to lotion the pum pum, ladies. We're gonna talk more in depth about pum pum lotioning next week. So make sure you stay tuned because can we give away some pum pum lotion next week? They had no choice. Mr. Gordon, we're gonna give away pum pum lotion, right? Okay. See? Mr. Gordon says it's okay, so it's okay. So make sure you guys stay tuned next week. We're giving away pum pum lotion and we are going to show you how to lotion your pum pum properly. Pum pum lotion is very important. Somebody said, Mr. Gordon, tired are you? Mr. Gordon?
Poor Mr. Gordon.
Poor Mr. Gordon.
I just feel like I can't even, I feel very relaxed.
I do feel relaxed actually.
Like I'm not even lying. Notice I've been quite quiet this week. I feel good though. I think it might be just have sniffing all of those herbs. Getting my liquor steaming in my silence though.
Yes, alright.
I feel good.
Yeah? Alright. Adults, this one, adults pretty much have the world figured out.
Wow, that's a
Definitely
lie.
not.
That's
Definitely
a big
not.
lie.
But you know, I feel like as a child, you look at your mom and you know, it doesn't matter how much your parents are struggling, they try their best. So as a child, you look and you're like, yeah, my mommy knows what she's doing, and you feel like adults have it figured out. And then you become an adult and you're like, no. You finished the other one? You finished the other one? Where did he put the passion fruit one? Mr. Gordon? Where did he put it? Oh!
I couldn't find it, so I stole Jodi's zone. Okay. Winifred, did the salve really work, Tracy? Honestly, I'm not going to lie. That the
relief balm
on my temples,
it's
like
balm.
I'm feeling so good right now. I'm feeling so good right now.
I just feel like all of their products. Well, I can't talk to how well the Grey Bell works, but I feel like the wellness line, like all this stuff, we have like a little package that we take home. And I really enjoy the massage oil.
No, I do enjoy the massage oil. But the thing that I enjoy about the massage oil the most, like 100%, is the smell. Like it's so nice and light. Like I'm going to bed and I want to smell nice for Scott, and I want him to come close. I just put on my massage oil and then, you know.
And then what?
I get what I want.
Oh, okay. All right. Cool. All right. Back to this little. It's illegal to keep the lights on in the car. I know, this to my kids too.
I know. I actually said that to Scott the other day and he just looked at me.
But it's because if you are the driver and somebody turns on the light, it's hard for you to reverse.
I can't believe we've been doing Lady Bee for 1 year.
I can, she's so good. Ooh, I need to order the drinks for Levi's birthday. For the adults, you know.
What are you gonna have?
I don't know. What do you think I should have? Last time we got my favorite. So my top favorites are the grapefruit rosemary. And everybody I like grapefruit in a drink. Maybe I'll ask her to do something special for me. What else? Afternoon. Here for the lion paw? No. Ooh, I'm hot. My underarms.
Do they export to England? Robin's Faith is asking.
England?
England is a little bit far, but I will ask for you, Robin, and see.
Pardon? Wellness products to England.
The wellness products we can do to England. The wellness products we can do to England.
We can do?
I'm a part of this now.
You're a part of this now?
I'm going out to the fields.
Really? Okay, I could see you doing that still.
I know.
I love the grapefruit rosemary too. Great taste. Okay, Lady Bee Mixology says she can make something special, and I got a nice glass container that holds 2 gallons.
Yeah.
Because I'm like, yo, I'm always getting Lady Bee, so I want to be able to display it nicely. And actually, I should get stuff for Sarah's party. We use kids' birthdays as an excuse to drink.
I know.
Where is Stevie? Stevie is not here at Jacana.
Stevie is sleeping.
Yeah, you hope.
I know. She's with Nana right now, actually.
So before you go in the bath, you have to check behind the shower curtain.
Wait, are we still doing these things? Jeez, man, I should have like two papers of it, 2 lists.
I thought they were interesting. I was sharing interesting facts with you.
Everybody says, what?
Anyway, I was waiting for her to read my message before I said anything, but to my good friend Rihanna, congratulations. That looked like a girl belly. That looked like a girl belly. And she's wearing pink.
It must be a girl, right?
I think it's a girl. I think it's a girl for sure. Oh.
Maybe I can send her some of Stevie's old clothes.
Why do you think she wants first of all, Stevie's old clothes or Remy's old clothes? I think Rihanna can get brand new clothes.
I can send Rihanna some of Stevie's hand-me-downs.
Rihanna would be like, what is this? Actually, Rihanna's really cool. Rihanna would probably like, oh, this piece is really cool. Let's mix it with this and round. Jodi, how is it that? The dad is well, thank you. The dad is well. Fenty baby. And happy Chinese New Year. This year is the year of the
tiger. You know, that's so interesting because, you know, Rihanna is a woman who likes to reinvent herself all the time. So she hasn't put out any music in a long time, and then she came out with the makeup line. She's come out with the Fenty underwear and sportswear line. I'm wondering if this baby is going to change her mind and maybe she'll come up with some baby products and a baby line.
You know what? I think so, because remember Kylie did that, you know. And I want to say, I haven't used Kylie Jenner.
Really? She has a baby line?
She has a baby line, and I've been watching a few reviews. Hi, Wayne. I've been watching a few reviews, and it's actually not bad.
Really?
Cassandra Blankson was saying that her baby line isn't bad. So if Rihanna has great adult products, you know, why not go into a baby line?
People are saying it's also Black History Month. Correct. This is a very big month.
It's a reggae month.
It's Black History Month.
It's Bob Marley's birthday. It's Sarah's birthday. Winsome's birthday. Levi's birthday.
My anniversary.
Okay. Yes, okay, Kevin. We are at Macmasters Plaza in Portmore. And guys, we weren't able to show you, right? But we are on the top floor because we own Jacana now. We own Jacana. Okay, we own Jacana.
But
we're shareholders. Right, Mr. Gordon? So there's
we are on the sky roof floor of the building because we are now closer to the gods.
Ah, the ganja gods.
The ganja gods.
And so you can come up here. There's like a little bar. You can have.
It's actually a really nice little hangout spot.
It is.
Yeah.
But right now the sun's too bright. But I can only imagine it's very hot because we are in the Sunshine City.
Yeah.
So I can only imagine at night you can get a little drinky poo on. You can buy a few bud. You know?
Yes.
No, sorry. Flowers. Crystals. You know?
Toke it up.
Yeah? Oh yeah? That's what you call it? A toke?
Toke it up.
Yeah? Alright, so if you're smoking, right, and you want your friend to give you some, what do you say?
Yo, pass the Dutch, you know?
No, that's not how you talk. That's not how you talk.
You mean I must use my voice?
Yeah, like what would you say? Like I have my spliff.
Okay.
What would you say to me? You want a pull?
Oh, you have your spoon?
Yeah,
okay,
you want my
You're such a hog. Give me some.
Okay, all right, cool. All right. So then it's my turn now.
I'm
like, hey.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
No, I don't know what I would do. Okay, can I have a? Because other people are there, so I want to look cool.
Okay, but I was just taking
right.
a really long talk, and you're disturbing me more than one occasion.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's like, you know.
Number one.
Beg your draw. Yeah, okay, I couldn't remember the cool words.
She just goes in there.
Beg your draw. Okay. Beg your draw. Alright, okay. So we have to remember that when we're being cool, you know.
Alright.
But that must be a nice vibe because you can buy a little bud, flower, crystal, and then you can go outside and you can roll a little joint, or you can buy one of the pre-roll joints and you can have a drink outside and you're on the rooftop.
Yeah.
So it must be nice and cool here too.
Yeah.
Alright, I feel so dry. I think because I sleep in the AC.
Wow, it must be nice. It's like 35 degrees outside and you're still sleeping in AC?
You know like how the blanket protects you from the duppy?
Yeah.
The AC protects me.
From what?
I don't know. Heat exhaustion. I sweat when I sleep, man. Yeah, man. When I wake up, I have to bathe.
So anyway, so Valentine's Day is coming up and we have a special giveaway to do with you guys today of some good Jacana products that we have been talking about. It is their wellness products from their wellness line. Here we go, Joe, bring out this bag. So on Valentine's Day, you can have yourself a great time with some of the Jacana wellness products. Here we go. This is how you're gonna start your evening. This is not, no. Okay. You're gonna start your evening with some Lady Bee Mixology drinks.
So you're gonna take a little drink and like a little chat. Babe.
You're gonna get all nice and like, woo!
Oh, this is lovely. Babe.
You like it? Okay. Alright. And then after that, after you've had your drinks, after you've had the drinks, you're gonna do some CBD oil drops right under the tongue. Right under the tongue. So, okay, sorry. We're gonna do some CBD oil drops just to relax, you know? Okay? And then after that, we're gonna have something nice and sweet to eat. We have to tantalize our taste buds with the Strictly Cookies flavor of the month.
And you have the Nutella and the hazelnut in here, so that's nice.
It's a hazelnut cream with the
Nutella,
the red velvet.
Yeah.
How is that, my babes?
Oh, honey.
How is that?
It's wonderful.
You like that? Oh. I'm gonna.
My throat back is hurting.
I'm gonna massage you down. So then you're gonna take the massage oil. We're gonna massage where it counts now.
Oh, babe.
So we got that massage. And then we're gonna go for the real massage oil, which is the lubricant.
Babe.
Yeah. And then we get busy with it.
Whoa.
And then after we got busy with it, it was so intense.
Oh, you
that
did
we
the
went to
relief balm.
You're good. What a date.
Oh, that's a date.
What a date.
That is a date.
What a date.
Okay, so we're going to be giving away all 4 wellness products to a winner. You cannot ask a question. You suck at the questions.
Who, me?
Yes, Tracy.
I find that everybody enjoys getting what I have to give away.
Yes, we enjoy what you're giving away, but your questions are so aloof.
Okay. Alright. I know what I'm going to ask.
Yes.
Okay, this is a question for you to win all 4 Jacana wellness products.
In the USA, Canada, North America, Jamaica.
Yes. So, the wellness products include 4 products. They are the CBD balm,
Relief balm,
the CBD relief balm, the CBD massage oil, the CBD lubricant, and the CBD drops that you can put underneath your tongue. Helps you sleep.
So how's the question now?
Oh.
Caribbean, yes.
What was the question again? I genuinely don't remember.
Okay, so here's the question. Last week, there was...
Oh! What is the best selling bud here at Jacana? Come on, guys.
Nobody's saying anything? Oh, yes. Is that...
Yes, Share Gooden. Lion paw. Very good, Share Gooden. Rawr. So Share will be getting your address and we will be sending.
We'll be in touch with you. We got the lion paw. So the lion paw right here. So, here, take a whiff of that.
Let me smell it again.
Ooh, look at that, YouTube. Ooh, wee, smell that. All right, let's get you all sniffed up and do a Tricky's Corner. Let's go. Blow it up.
Okay. So, Tricky's Corner this week. I was actually putting on my makeup to come here and do the show this week, and I was putting on my makeup, and as I'm putting on my makeup, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I'm so ugly. This is what's wrong with me. That's what's wrong with me. And I'm thinking all of these things, and I think that that's normal for every person, man, woman. Like, I think we all look in the mirror and we think that, oh, I need help. I'm so ugly with this. And I remembered, I remember when I lived in Barcelona and I wore no makeup. And I just purged myself from all makeup products. Like, I didn't wear concealer, I didn't wear mascara, I didn't wear face powder. I just like woke up and I was just raw every day, just soap and water. I come out like that, and I didn't feel no way about it. And I thought to myself, you know, maybe it's good to kind of purge yourself for a week every now and again, just so that you don't look at yourself in the perfection of all of this makeup and think that this is how you actually look. Like, I think you need to fall back in love with yourself.
Right. I was wondering where you were going with this.
Yeah.
To give yourself a break. But I tell Levi, so when I go home now, he's going to look, Mommy, you look so pretty. And he will now correct himself. It's like, you look very pretty, but you also look very pretty with no makeup. Because I want him to know that, yes, ladies wear makeup and you must appreciate them and love them. And when they do their hair and makeup and they're all dressed up, make sure you acknowledge. But makeup does not make a lady pretty.
Yeah. And I just want to encourage you guys to just fall back in love with yourself. Like, don't wear makeup for a little while and just look at some of your features and think, oh wow, this is why I really love my face, because of my eyebrows that are well high arched, and like my green eyes I really love, and I have nice high cheekbones as well.
And if you need help falling in love with yourself, Jacana has this CBD lubricant. More on that next week. Okay, yeah. It's about self-love. It's about self-love and appreciating you without the hair and the nails and the makeup.
Yeah, and then just knowing that you are beautiful.
I wonder why Sean could be calling me.
What is going on? What is going on?
Guys, we have to go. My husband is ringing. Yes. Are you done with your Tricky's Corner?
That was my Tricky's Corner.
Have we given away everything we need to give away? So we have Daniel Lore, I think it is, I have it written down. Congratulations, you won yourself 2 pouches of Lady Bee Mixology. And congratulations to Share Good and Always Active on the Life. So I'm glad that you won. You won yourself the 4 CBD wellness products from Jacana Wellness line.
And we just want to give a big shout out to Jacana. Portmore.
Oh wait, hold on, the sound is gone.
Oh, they can't hear.
Mic out.
Oh no.
I think, you see, this is what happened. I don't know why.
Oh, hey.
How we go?
Can you hear us now?
Mama, we're not hearing.
Oh.
Kevin says he loves his big nose.
Alright, Kevin, you just go.
Still not hearing.
Oh, okay.
Well, guys, that means you're just going to have to head over onto YouTube to find out what we are saying here. Let's make it seem like we're saying something.
Oh my god. No.
Alright, so YouTube, here's what happened. A call came in, and now my phone, it's not picking up the sound. So we're troubling them. And they don't know what's going on. Mr. Gordon!
Oh my god, did you do that, man?
That's what you do. That's what they do in the pornos. Girls are always so happy, right? Okay, everybody, we want to thank you so much for tuning in, and you still can't hear. Can't read. Do you know anything in sign language?
Olive juice.
Olive juice.
Olive juice.
Sound. No sound. Somebody says they're messing with us. No sound. Hello. Okay, guys, we're gonna stop now because we're driving them crazy over on the Instagram Live. They can't hear us and they're thinking we're messing with them, but we are. So we want to thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. You know, make sure you browse around. We have a
I kind of like how the robe is doing this thing right now where like my tit is showing.
More like, who wants to breastfeed over here? I have easy access in my breastfeeding.
No, but you even have the breastfeed pads in there.
It came with the pads. I didn't take them out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you drop a like, make sure you subscribe, and we will see you next week for another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky. Bye!